ice gray metallic, guys. Indigo blue wheels. My car sounds like a jet because I have the max cooling mode on. Check this out. When are you ever going to see a GT3 Touring, a Nissan GTR, a Ferrari 296, and then an Audi RS3 next to each other? This just looks insane. Check it out, guys. Those are yellow DRLs because this is a CS. Are those 19 and 20 inch wheels still? Yeah. Okay, that's good. I thought maybe it got 20 in the 21s. Has a different strut bar, strut brace. No carbon ceramics on this, but it does have the gold wheels. You can get them in black as well. I'd really like to find one with red carbon ceramics and gold wheels. I think that would be the perfect spec. Let's see what the price is on this thing. Without the carbon ceramics, right about 130, and then when it has them, I think it's like 140. The laser taillights on the Riviera blue. Super nice. You know, I've been able to take this off my previous cars, all three of them, and people buy them very quickly, the OEM carbon fiber pieces.
I also love that they get like slightly different exhaust tips. They're like black coated, and the innards look a little bit different too.
Let's see, can we see the titanium from under here? These are the muffler titanium. Yeah, we got the titanium muffler, I think. They do get full leather, guys, so you can tell. I got the stitching on the top, but the color is interesting. You get red accents in the carbon bucket seats and in the back as well. What you don't get is front-facing cameras, so there's no button for that. But the more I drive the car, the more comfortable I am. I don't really need that anymore.
No cup holders either.
That's actually a good thing. It'll make me not put the cup holder and get a mess. Right. I feel like, I guess you can still use these. These are really useful on the sides. Those hold a lot of
I put drinks
big
in
drinks
mine all the time.
Yeah.
They hold everything.
So we have a carbon fiber hood. What is it, like 50 kilograms less, something like that, of weight?
I mean, overall, it weighs a good bit less than what a regular Xdrive car would weigh.
Do you mind if I sit in there?
No,
see
go
what
ahead, bro.
Okay. So I'm gonna, oh yeah, very similar.
Yeah.
Smells new, of course. This is nice, you just rest your elbow if you want. Alcantara always feels special. I think BMW does a few nice things with this car. It does say CS in the seat rests. I'm pretty sure it'll show you a CS in the dash.
Yeah, you get slightly different animations.
And it is iDrive 8.5. This one actually looks even more updated. This home menu looks very different than what I have in my car.
Really?
And I haven't updated my car in a few months because of the tune, so.
That might be what it is. I just did a software update on mine. It pretty much looks the same.
This is cool. Yeah, it definitely looks different, guys. So I have Waze in my center cluster, but I don't have this shortcut menu at the bottom. What is good, fam? We are at United BMW in Roswell. This is their touchless car wash, which you can use on M cars for free. And I want to talk to you about what it means to be part of the Unlockable Character brand, okay? I started this channel when I got my 2024 M4 competition, a custom order. And it was the impetus, the starting point for me to give back wisdom and to share with you the ability to physically manifest your dreams if you apply yourself to your goals and if you live your life like an unlockable character. So first and foremost, what does it mean to live like an unlockable character? It means to live a intentional life, okay? Intentional means that you aren't just, you know, dilly-dallying. You really know what you need to do and you execute. And as you execute, you might fail, but if you're intentional about the way you do things, you're gonna learn from each failure and you're gonna become better. And that journey of self-mastery, as you are trying to achieve your goals, is going to get you to a new level. Every time you fail, you're gonna break through and get to a new level. Okay? And that's exactly what being an unlockable character is. It's putting in the work to unlock the best version of yourself, okay? So this Sunday, I'm hosting a webinar for free, and we will cover what I call mental sovereignty, and we will also cover the potential to make money online and to manifest your dreams in a variety of ways, okay? Once you know that there's something that you like out there, like you have a passion, for me it's always been cars, you can start to research the industry behind that passion. So the car industry for me, the brands, and also the creative side of the equation. I've always loved making videos. When Google Video was around back in like 2006, it was competing with YouTube actually before Google bought YouTube. I made compilations for soccer videos. And you know, that editing style, that kind of familiarity with computers and editing software, that has carried over to today. I still enjoy editing the videos, and I still of course love cars. And I've been able to combine the two with YouTube. And just to give you a sense of how YouTube can pay you, I just had my best day ever on YouTube. It was $178 in 1 day of revenue, okay? So what does that mean? That literally means that I am making money while I sleep. I have a library of videos that are growing. They gain more views every day, the old videos, and sometimes the algorithm picks them up. And so one of the things that you will learn in the Unlockable Character program, if you join, is how to unlock the algorithm of YouTube. What has worked for me and what can work for you. The course on Sunday is a taste of what is to come if you join the full program. All right, guys? I hope you join. It's gonna be an incredible time. We have tons of people already signed up, and you're gonna be taught by me directly in the program. But enough of that. We're at United BMW here in Roswell. That looks like a sick tan color that I've never seen before. We're gonna go and try and see an M4CS in the showroom. There's an M3 on BBS's over there that looks pretty sick. And let's just cruise around real quick, see what cars are out here. We got an M2 and an M4 looking beautiful here. The M2 has some M Performance carbon fiber on the front. M4 is a 2025. Damn, oh, it's an M3. Let's see what else they got back here, guys. I saw a Z4 here in the corner. Let me put the air conditioning on. I always turn it off when I go in the car wash. Look at that Z4, beautiful color. And the M4CS inside, I'm hoping is a similar color. I don't know if that's Riviera blue, but that's the color that I'm trying to go for. Ooh, a beautiful i7 in a dark red. That would look sick on the M4. Gorgeous color. Okay, F82, 2025 G80, looking sick. You know, you got some of the employee cars here as well, and they all drive M cars mostly, from what I've seen. Especially the finance managers at the BMW dealerships. They always have an M5 or an M8. Shout out Jin at Gwinnett Place. I think he's a sales manager now. He's the fucking man. Honestly, Jin, he became a ghost, and he just grinds. And that's the way you gotta be. If you wanna level up and move forward in your life, I know I create content, and in the process of creating content, you can still be a ghost. You can go to the events, you can get the content, but you don't have to get caught up in drama, nonsense, socializing. You need to focus on your goals. So let's see what else is back out here. Do a quick little pass. We'll post up in front of the dealership and then wait for Amar, who is one of the sales guys here. A lot of 440s. That looks like a 240, maybe a 230. Ooh, satin green. Very nice. They usually have some pretty sweet cars posted up here. I remember my first M4 G82, I got it and I took delivery up there. It was a 2021. It was Alpine white wrapped in satin black, and it looked so good. Yeah, they got some pretty sweet cars out here. Let's post up, see what they got going on. These are all guest parking, so I can come back around. Here we have a frozen white 7 Series. That looks incredible. I love the multi-spoke wheels on these big cars, like the 7 Series, and when you go for an S-Class, you can get a wheel with tons of spokes. It looks cool. That's a pretty good spot. Let me see if I can back in there. Oh, yeah, there's a Amar coming in. Yo, Amar. This man has got some POV content too, guys. You gotta check him out on IG. Is it Amar Whips?
Yeah.
Amar underscore whips?
Actually, I forgot too.
Good to see you, dude.
Good to see you, bro.
This is his 2025. Is it Drive It?
Yeah, Drive It
on red, Fiona red. He has a mid pipe already.
Yep. Mad
Lowering springs or no?
H&R, yeah.
Oh yeah,
It's
it does
not
look low.
enough,
No, it looks, no, that's perfect.
Nah, I'm thinking about dropping it more.
Look at the sun hitting that paint. Woo! Yeah, man. And look, he's got the Alcantara steering wheel. How do you like the Alcantara steering wheel?
Dude.
Feels special, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. Thanks for heading over here, man.
Yeah, man, of course.
I'll hit this. Hit it. What? That's no Check it out, guys. Dynan axle back, Dynan mid pipe. Can you ask him to rev it? Let's see if he'll rev it for us.
Can you rev it?
Very nice. Do you have a valve controller yet?
What?
Do you have a valve controller yet? Oh, okay.
Not yet.
Is it Ford blue in the interior? Look at that.
Fjord
Fjord
blue.
blue.
He's on,
This man got hose in Norway.
He's on the fast way hop kit.
Oh, okay. Installed at the port.
Yeah.
He's gonna come from a shop.
This is the M Performance height adjustable suspension kit, guys. You can actually option it and it gets installed at the port. It's sitting pretty nicely. It may not even be at the maximum low. It could just be where they set it at. Yeah, this is a sick wing. Guys, the M2, I don't know why y'all hated it. Look at it. Just might need to lower it a little bit. It looks good. Front looks low. Is this Brooklyn Gray?
This is Grigio Telesto.
Grigio Telesto? Woo! It's an individual color?
Yeah. They have a few individual colors that they let you option on the M2. It doesn't get access to the full individual list
Yeah.
because the car is built in Mexico, but they gave us a few colors.
Will the M2CS also be built in Mexico?
No idea.
No. Because that's coming
I also
soon.
get questions if it's Xdrive or not. It's like, no idea.
That is coming soon. Look at this though. Look at the BBSs on the F80. Looking sick. And the roof rack.
XP, man.
Where's the X3 at?
Where is your Xdrive?
Go bring it.
Go around.
You have the key? I'll go grab it.
Oh, blue calipers as well. Very nice.
Yeah. No, that's very tasteful.
Yeah. All right, a few nice touches, guys. It gets the CS/CSL style grill. That means there's less protection for the cooling system behind there. The headlights are actually slightly different. You can tell there's slight details on them, and they look great. Truly a head-turning car. So it does get the Harman Kardon system, guys. And I'm telling you, when you look at this Riviera Blue, other than the frozen Isle of Man green, because I had Isle of Man green before, this is the way to go. And the alternative is black, and then satin PPF it, but I already did that. So
I'm a little boring. Black and gray cars for me, but
no, gray and
this is
gold,
like,
gray and
I got
gold.
a soft spot for blue on gold.